to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, actual makeup tutorial look, actual makeup tutorial. Okay, let's get into the video. So first up, you'll need a makeup sponge, then some foundation, then light natural color eyeshadow, and then some mascara, and then like a light lipstick, light color, like this one's a light colors lip duo, and then this one's a light colors bold lash, then LAC eyeshadow nude palette, and then the foundation is Sassy Chic, then the blending brush is also Sassy Chic. So let's get on to the makeup tutorial. First up, you need the foundation and the blending sponge. So do this. Okay. I'm sweaty. Okay, then next, after that, mascara. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the first eyeshadow in the second row. It's light brown, this tannish color. I'm not gonna use makeup eyeshadow brush, but I'm just gonna use fingers because that's what I normally do. Okay, then next we're gonna use this light semi-colored lipstick. I usually don't. I haven't been very lately, but I have been lately. Like natural look like this. This is when I have it. I'm gonna basically start wearing but this natural tutorial makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos. Well, vlogs. Sorry, my bad. Like, if you want to see makeup videos or something like that, then just comment down below what you think. So this is it. If the video thumbs up, and please subscribe. Bye.